Hey Noah, how's it going? This is Eric with Whittier SEO and Digital Marketing. I did speak with your office manager, Diane, I believe her name was, yesterday, and she did indicate that you are the point of contact for anything marketing related with the company. So normally what I like to do is I like to show any given business, a local business here, just in a comparison between you and your competitors. And then I also like to outline three things that we can instantly do, such as backlinks, citations, and content. In your for your specific website, it's a little different just because you guys also have this engineering component. And just after briefly scanning through your website, I could see that you guys do offer different things than the local competitors near you. So one of the most important things that I'm going to focus on is content, right? So right off the bat, when Google looks at any page and ranking their page and pointing and directing power to a given page, they like to look at the content of the website. And what's important to them is they want to make sure that you are a subject matter expert in the field and in the service that you're providing. So if we look at your first page, as a rule of thumb, Google likes to look at a minimum of 1,000 words of content on the page, which from what I can see, it's clearly below that. It's right around 150 below. So, and content has everything to do with your titles, like here, and then the description of those titles. And the more that you describe what it is that you do, obviously, the more you're going to give Google the ability to rank your website. And whenever people are searching for that specific service, then you're going to be one of the first businesses that pop up on their search, especially in the area if it's Whittier, La Habra, La Mirada, you name it, any other city around the vicinity. Um, and within this content, another thing that Google does like to play a huge degree of importance on is the use of keywords, right? So in your industry, um, MZN construction. MZN construction is going to be acting as a keyword, but only to yourself. So you're not going to be receiving any power back when people search up for MZN construction because nobody's going to take it upon themselves to look up for your specific company. It's going to be more construction services related, construction services in La Mirada, the construction services in La Habra. So here, let me just show you what I mean by that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take your website. Uh, Sorry about that. I'm going to take your website. I'm going to plug it into a little tool that we like to use because it gives us complete numbers. It gives us how the actual website is performing right now and the things that we can instantly do to generate more traffic and therefore more customers. So from what this is telling us is that currently you have 108 backlinks where you're receiving power from. This could be anything from other websites that mentioned your company, and it could be directories that you signed up on. It could be a number of things. So currently we have 108 backlinks. Usually for a website to really be strong on the internet, we're looking at an average about 250 backlinks. So there's definitely room for improvement there. From those backlinks, we're seeing that we only have 10 referring domains. So you can actually have a domain, you can have a website that's backlinking, 20 times, 10 times back to your website. So it just depends on how powerful that website is that's giving you back power. So if we look at the referring domains here, you know, we have you, I believe this is you, um, LinkedIn, site links. So we have a couple, but we don't have the ones that we're targeting, right? We want the directories. We want more construction services oriented websites. Also Facebooks. So we want the Yelps, the yellow pages, the white pages, all that. all those websites that are that have some type of search platform for people to find out what type of service it is that you do. So through this, we're obviously, this is another area of improvement right off the bat. Now we go back to overview. So let's take a look at what I mentioned before as far as the keywords go. Right now we're seeing that you're getting back organic traffic 16 organic people that search up construction services that are landing on your page. Right now what we're seeing is that on the construction sector, on the average for any good high performing website, we're seeing about 70 to 100. The really good ones are up there at a 150 to 200. Out of those people going to your website, we have 107 organic keywords that you are being searched for. And the thing is that when we look at keywords, we want them to be general, general to the type of service that you provide, more so than specific to the brand. Um, so as we can see, and the reason for that is because whenever somebody searches, like I said before, for construction services, they're not thinking of your company, they're not thinking of the brand, they're just thinking of the construction services in their respective area. So construction services near me, construction, concrete pouring, concrete resurfacing, concrete refinishing, stuff like that. So they're looking for more specific. They're looking for more general searches. And then if your company is one of the highest ranked, then obviously that's when you're going to be able to show up as one of the first. So yes, obviously MZN construction as a keyword, you're going to be showing up number one just because it's very unique to yourself. Van Nuys PD, that is not obviously not relevant to the service that you provide. So that's not something that's going to get you power, or at least the type of power, the type of traffic that you're looking for. So as we can see, as we go down the list, you're starting to see the common theme here, that we're not getting the right keywords, that we're not being searched out for the right keywords. So therefore the traffic is not as high as it could potentially be. So, and then we have Alvera construction, ADU construction. ADU construction would be a keyword. We would just need to sprinkle it more in the website in order for you to be searched for that. And what have you. So yeah, this is just a brief overview. I hope you did get some insight as to one of the things that we look at as we're trying to rank any given website, and therefore generate more traffic to that website. If you like what you heard, just feel free to give me a call back, and we can chat. We can discuss anything, all the services that we provide, and what we can do, and we set expectations as to when we can meet those deadlines. So again, thank you for your time. Thank you for taking a look at this video, and look forward to speaking to you soon. All right, bye.